Jason back with Project Sequoia. We've ceramic coated the hood with gloss coat. We've done one of our tires with our tire protect. The last thing I want to do before I take this thing on the road is I want to put our Opti glass on. There's many different ways to clean glass. I'm not going to try to go through and tell you which exactly the right way. All I can do is tell you a way that we do it. I'm going to take my Optimum no rinse and mist it right there on the glass. What that's going to allow me to do is use my very, very soft plastic razor blade and scrape that material off. And the reason I sprayed it like that is because it's very easy for me to see where I've actually scraped. If you don't, and it's just a clear glass, there's a good chance you're going to miss something. So just like painting a house, I'm going to go back and forth and make sure I scraped all of that off. When I'm finished, I will wipe the glass down with Optimum no rinse or a paint prep solution to make sure it's clean with no contaminants. The next step is I'm actually going to apply the Opti glass. Again, we have different applicators. I prefer to use the foam on this because it does have a little part in the back that helps hold my hand so that I don't drop it. Now, applying the glass. A lot of people will want to just spray it all over the place. That is not how you want to do that. You do not want any overspray on any other part of the vehicle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it, but right there into my foam and the glass, kind of at the same time. That keeps it from moving all over the place and getting overspray. So once I've got it on, I'm going to work in a circular motion. There is a slight haze, and that's okay. We're just going to make sure we've got the Opti glass in every area. And I'm putting a little pressure on here, making sure that I work it in. As we let it set, it will haze up just a little bit, and that's okay, because what we're going to do is just come back with a soft towel. We want a towel that does not have lint or anything like that. So something that's a tight weave is kind of what we're looking for. And we're going to go back and just lightly buff that haze right off. Now, the Opti glass is done. 15-20 minutes, it should be ready to hit the road. Before I leave and go on the road trip, I'm going to show you some of the hydrophobic properties of the things that we've done already. So stay tuned for one more demonstration and then we'll get this thing on the road. Thanks, guys. I told you I'd show you after the ceramic coat set up how hydrophobic it is. I don't think there's hardly a speck of water on that.